Most people get this wrong. They think all life insurance platforms are the same. But the surprising truth is that Ethos makes it incredibly simple to get coverage without medical exams, and it's built for quick online applications. Here's what I found using it. Ethos offers term life and whole life insurance with straightforward policies and clear pricing. You won't believe what happens next. You can apply it online in minutes, and many applicants are approved instantly. The platform focuses on convenience, so there's no need for doctor's visits or lab tests in most cases. The application process is guided and easy to understand. Ethos also provides helpful educational materials explaining coverage amounts, policy lengths, and options for riders like disability or accidental death. During my experience, the user interface was clean, the support team was responsive, and policies were transparent with no hidden fees. One limitation is that Ethos may not offer the same flexibility as traditional insurers in terms of complex policy structures or very high coverage limits. Premiums can be slightly higher for some age groups, but the trade-off is speed and convenience. In conclusion, Ethos is ideal for people who want a simple, quick, and mostly digital way to get life insurance. If you want coverage without the hassle of medical exams or paperwork, it's worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest life insurance reviews to help you choose the right policy efficiently.